So today is day one of my keto fast food dinners. 1 full week of keto fast food dinners. Just giving you an idea of how to eat keto at fast food places. And I'm gonna do basic places that I feel like majority people have in their cities. So day one is Chick-fil-A. I think I have a quick snippet of how I ordered online. I had no idea that you could order online. Clearly been under a rock. So yeah, I ordered online. It should be ready to pick up. I mean, Chick-fil-A don't never take that long, no way. So I ordered you'll see what I ordered. So day one, dinner number one is Chick-fil-A. Let's go. Okay guys, I'm back at home. The line in Chick-fil-A was a tad bit long. Chick-fil-A lines usually are long. These glasses, these are those Quay blue light glasses. If I should do a review on those or these, go ahead and say something in the comment section. But anyway, the line was long and they really wasn't moving as fast as they usually do. But I don't know. I got the Cobb salad with grilled chicken nuggets. And I probably should have when I opened it, probably should have let it breathe a little bit. Tomatoes. It looked like a spring mix. Has a little bit of corn in it. That piece of corn is making my skin crawl. Oh my god. It's making my skin crawl. I have that. What's that? It's a term where certain textures and holes and little stuff just makes your skin crawl. I'll leave the name right here because half of y'all probably got it too, but I got it real bad. And this piece of corn, I can't even. Yeah, it's like spring mix. It looks like it have a little bit of egg in it, tomato, corn, bacon, carrots. So yeah, I mean, it looks pretty good in my opinion. And to go with that, I got it came with some charred tomato, crispy red bell peppers. For dressing, I got the avocado lime ranch dressing, which I just hear people raving about, so I wanted to try that. And if it's not good, I got regular. And because I never had one of their salads before, I didn't know how many chicken nuggets would come on this actual salad, so I got an 8-piece. Oh my god, these just smell so good. Chick-fil-A is awesome. Oh my god. See that? It's just awesome. Awesome.
Thank you for choosing Hardee'S. Would you like to try one of our new egg stick burger milk?
No, thank you. Can I try the Monster Thick Burger low carb?
A monster low carb. Anything? Would you like that in a combo?
No, just the sandwich, please.
Anything else I can get for you today?
No, that's all.
Your total is $8.38. Please go around.
Thank you. Okay, here's my Hardee's sandwich. Again, this is the low carb Monster Thick Burger. You can ask for any sandwich there to be wrapped in lettuce. So this time it does have mayonnaise on it. Yeah, that's it. They just added mayonnaise this time. Like I said, no ketchup, no mustard, lettuce, bacon, and 2 patties, and I believe 2 pieces of cheese. For ketchup, this is the one I'll be using, the sugar-free ketchup by G. Hughes. This was like $4 at Walmart. I got some leftover Chick-fil-A sauces. I don't know if I'm gonna use them though. But that's about it. And this is why you don't go to the grocery store hungry. I picked up these scallop crackers that really don't taste like much of anything. and this bacon ranch chicken salad. This is the best chicken salad that I have ever had, y'all. Like, probably, more than likely, not really keto, but this chicken salad was so bomb. I just had to let y'all know. This is at Aldi's. This container was about $3. The crackers were about $1.99. Would not get those crackers again. They so thin and flimsy. But that dip, this chicken salad, is a must try. A must try. Happy Wednesday, guys. So today is Wing Wednesday. I decided to get wings from some wings from Pizza Hut, and I didn't even realize that it was Wing Wednesday because they have like the 50-cent wing deal. So usually I would just get like the 8-piece, which would be like $5, or maybe not $5, maybe like $7 or $8 or whatever, something around that price range. But today, since it's Wing Wednesday, they have 6 for $5, and then it just goes up and up and up and up in $5 increments. So I went ahead and got 12 wings. I probably, more than likely, will not eat all of these wings. For one, I'm not that hungry, and two, I bought a second order, I guess, of the wings for lunch tomorrow, so I really don't have to cook. Right now, I am making one of those fake like keto pizzas, not the cauliflower crust pizza, but it's an egg, some cheese, and some seasoning, and yeah, you just mix it all together, place it on like some parchment paper, and bake it in the oven for 15 minutes. So that's what I'm doing for lunch. So I have pizza and wings for lunch, and that'll just be easy because I'm ready to just like kick back. So yeah, so these look better now that they've been tossed. I don't know why it's like they put the sauce at the bottom and then just dump the wings on top. Like, y'all know y'all supposed to shake up the chicken. So anyway, I'm not really gonna have, I didn't plan on having anything else with these wings. So just this, some water because I'm super thirsty, and that's about it. Happy Thursday. Today I have happy. Now, why couldn't my lighting look this good all week? Happy Thursday. So tonight is Penn Station East Coast Subs voted America's #1 sandwich. So I got the Philly steak and cheese salad. I didn't get the sandwich, the actual salad. Here's what it looks like. Mushrooms, onions, I believe provolone cheese, banana peppers, and the steak meat. It's all on top of a bed of lettuce that's kind of wilted now, but it's still going to be amazing. Seasoned with their regular, season that they use for their sandwiches. Only thing is it's just in a bowl, and it also came with some dressing. It came with some Kraft dressing. I don't really care for Kraft dressing. It tastes like mayonnaise. I was hoping that they had like their own house dressing or something else. Kraft dressing, it just tastes like mayonnaise. It's not good. The egg bread, you can find this recipe on Pinterest, but I'll leave the recipe that I followed down in the description box. All you need is 1 egg, a cup of Parmesan cheese, half a cup of mozzarella cheese, Italian seasoning, and you want to set the oven to 350 and bake this for 15 to 20 minutes. I top mine off with some marinara sauce just because it tastes better that way. And I'm just going to have that in my bowl, and that'll be my Thursday night dinner. Happy Friday, guys. We have made it through the work week. Whether you a stay-at-home parent or you are you white collar, blue collar, it's just been like a long week, at least in my opinion. So, like I said, today's Friday. Today's Friday, it's a little bit early for dinner, but I mean, I'm hungry, and I just figured that if I'm hungry and it's my eating window, I might as well eat. Like, I shouldn't just like hold off until, you know, it's closer to my eating window's end time so I could feel fuller, or my feeling of being full will last longer. I just don't think that makes sense. Yeah, it doesn't make sense. But yeah, I have my dinner, and today we have Sonics. So if you have Sonics, then you already know how good their food is. I personally love their mozzarella sticks and their boneless wings. The spicy Asian is everything. It's just everything. But since we're doing this whole keto, low carb lifestyle type of stuff, first thing that I got, what I got was the foot long chili cheese hot dog. Okay, it smells spicy. I haven't had one of these since I was like 12, and I remember the day that I had it. I was hanging out with my godmother for the day, and we stopped at Sonic's, and I was like, let me get a hot dog. That was literally like the last time I ever had one of these hot dogs. So chili cheese hot dog, 100% beef. I hope. Chili cheese hot dog, basic, no bun. So when you go to Sonic's, just ask for their chili cheese hot dog bunless, and that's all you have to do. So you gotta say, they knew exactly what I wanted. So yeah, that's about it. And I'll probably dress this up with some hot sauce. And I have been loving the Frank's red hot cayenne pepper sauce. I just call it hot sauce or whatever. But yep, that's about it. So this is Friday night. Now, I have been wanting some chips. I have been craving chips. I have been craving like something sweet, like cookies as well. But I really been wanting chips. So if you wanted to make something to go with this, you can make like some fake Cheez-Its. All you have to do is, all you need to do is preheat the oven to like 350, 370 or whatever. Get some parchment paper, spray it down with some like, I don't know, like this butter spray or like olive oil spray or whatever. You really don't even have to use it, honestly. Just get some parchment paper, get some cheese, shredded cheese, even though I'm kind of trying to stay away from shredded cheese because of the potato starch in it, and whatnot. That's a different story. Get some cheese, like place it in like a little circle, bake it in the oven until it's crispy, and then there you go, you got chips. But yeah, so this is about it. This sums up 1 week of fast food keto dinners. Please let me know if you guys like this video, and I will see you guys in the next video.